It's snowing now. It's snowing in springtime in the UK. Winters has finished already, but still snowing in springtime. The date today is March 12, 2025. But it's amazing, yeah. It's supposed to be already a springtime, where the flowers blooms and there's a sun. But now it's snowing, blizzard in London. I think it's because of climate change, yeah.